This is La Grande Dame.
And I am Paloma.
And we are two queens from Drag Race France.
Season 1.
And today we are going to do what?
A little makeup challenge.
Around Marie Antoinette, the one that died short.
I'm covering my male features.
Well, good luck with that. What are you using to cover your beard?
I mix two products. I start with eyeshadow base, which is very thick and opaque. Then I use a basic orange lipstick.
My moustache area is not gonna stick. I'm sweating already.
You want some hack? I put some deodorant on my moustache and on my beard. Wow.
Yeah. I will start by a natural base, and then I'll do something very light.
For my foundation, I use a little bit darker than my real skin, because in drag, when you put some highlight, it's gonna be gray if the skin is not warm and darker.
I would agree with that.
Use the stick for your foundation.
Yeah, because I feel like that's the most covering you can get. We spend sometimes hours and hours in drag. By then the beard has already grown out, so you need something to cover that up.
Yes, I use the stick too, but only on the beard area.
Yeah.
And I use some liquid foundation for the rest of the face because I think around the eyes it's too thick.
Yeah. What would be the funniest thing that happened to you in drag?
Nothing really hard happened to me.
I would say getting an Uber is always like a little...
Yes.
Mostly when they just see you and accelerate.
Yes.
I always
It happened
love that.
so many times in
Yeah.
my life. I don't walk in drag in my neighborhood. I change my clothes in the cab.
Wow.
I always tell to the cab driver, sorry guy, but I have to change.
You want to get naked in front of the cab driver, don't you? It's gonna be a moustachy Marie Antoinette, okay? She's gonna be Marie Antoinette and Louis XVI.
Yes. Everybody thinks the Marie Antoinette makeup and look is very wide, very makeup-y. It was more clean and less makeup-y.
I really enjoyed the fact that you're reading my makeup before I did it. I'm gonna lean in the cliché, okay? I'm gonna do the full blush.
Yes, me too. Look for today is not really inspired by Marie Antoinette.
Well, spoiler alert, this was the challenge.
Yes. It's kind of Marie Antoinette in a way, but it's more inspired by Louis XIV and the 17th century. It's more Baroque. Your style is more Rococo, mine is more Baroque, more Molière.
No, but mine, it's gonna be like more contemporary knits.
I'm gonna do a cream blush because I want something very diffuse, very bland.
Good hack.
Oh, the moustache is gone.
Wait that I brush it off.
My drag is very different from yours, but something in common, we are classy and trashy.
Yeah,
Yes,
I would say so. I think out of the two of us, you would have been the one that would have fit better in Marie Antoinette's court.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. Okay, I'm gonna put on my face, which is something very important in the 18th century makeup. Okay, I think I'm done with the foundation and the blush.
Gorgeous. Let's spray a little bit of water.
So, okay, the eyebrows. I think I'm gonna change my the shape of my brows.
Please.
Yes, something more edgy, like Galliano, you know.
Eyeliner for me. Hold your breath with me. Oh, spoiler.
Not symmetrical, but not so bad.
Just do a wing. I'm going for simple. You were right, like the actual makeup at this period was minimalist. I'm gonna stick to that.
Okay, let's put some eyeshadow now. I think it's the first time I use green on my eyes.
Mascara. Do you find difference in mascaras? Actually, for the first time in my life, I found some.
Personally, I don't want to spend a coin on mascara.
Yeah. Purple was the color of royalty. So.
Yes, I'm gonna add a little bit of orange to match my outfit, which is green and orange.
Okay. I'm gonna go to the lips right away.
Really?
Yes, I want this to be done.
Who is the judge?
I don't know.
Yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
So everybody's gonna win. It's not symmetrical.
Symmetry is for ugly people.
I took some advance. I have my lips on. You're late, bitch.
Don't break your hand. It's glitter time.
Glitter. No, your makeup, you don't even need glitters, but that's what makes it like boom.
Okay, eyeliner.
I'm gonna put my lashes on.
Already?
Yeah?
I'm gonna win the race. Those lashes are a choice.
Yeah. I think I'm good. I want to keep it short, keep it simple.
Where is the beauty mark?
Okay. Boom.
Rhinestone! I'm really into rhinestone this time.
Yes.
I'm doing something you guys must never do. I wear lashes every day and I glue them with bond glue. And it stays in place all night long. But removing the glue takes hours, days.
I think if timing counts in this competition, I'm already winning. Saying that, saying nothing, huh? That's a good hack.
Yes, I put a pencil sharpener in a little bag.
That's some badass drag queen tricks.
And this way you don't up your box of makeup like you.
I'll do it in a beauty react.
Do you enjoy putting some lipstick on?
It feels like a very feminine thing to do. I enjoy the gesture, but it's very stressful at the same time.
When it's well done, it's so satisfying. But when you up your mouth,
You're like, ugh.
So now highlighter. Oh, I love Beauty Mark. But when I put foundation on Beauty Mark, it looks like pimples.
Oh yeah, I can
So
see.
I redo my Beauty Mark.
Discovering so many hacks with you, girl. The beauty mark, beautiful too.
Okay, I'm done.
We will pull a little wig,
Yes, a little kitty cat wig.
a little dress maybe,
Maybe.
and we'll be right back.
And we are done.
So this was like on Damen.
This was Paloma.
We were lovely having you here in Versailles for this little garden party.
Yes. I can move my head.
We'll see you on the next one.
Yes. Or in the magazine. Do we? When I get in the cab,
When I get in the club,
in the club.
everybody's eyes on that.
Yes, go, okay.